You're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use FlowLu as a beginner. FlowLu is considered as one of the best business management softwares around, as it combines numerous features that will surely enhance your business lifestyle. For example, you'll get access to their CRM. You'll be able to collaborate with numerous team members using this one platform. You'll also be able to stay on top of numerous projects. Now, to get started with FlowLu is completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto flowlu.com. Then from there, you can go over to the top right hand corner and select sign up. Once you have selected sign up, you'll be able to get started using your email address. Then you'll be redirected to this page. On here, you'll be able to fill in your name, and you can also fill in your company's name. Then from here, how large is your company, and you can select right there. Then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, what's your industry? You can select the particular industry that you're in. So let's say for this example, I were to select real estate, then tap on next. After you have done that, how did you hear about them? And you can select whichever one of these options. So let's say for example, I were to say Google. Once you have done that, you can tap on create website, and you can see, give it a few seconds while your website is being created, or better yet, your account is being created. Once your account has been created, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to access the different features. Now a quick pointer, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus, and from here you'll get access to new tasks, new event, new project, new opportunity, a new organization, contact, and so on. You'll basically get a quick access to all of the features. Now, if you would like to go more in depth in any one of those features, you can go over to the left hand menu option. For example, if we were to hover over tasks, you can see right here we can create a to-do list, a Kanban board, a list view. You can tap on the plus right here to create a new task. You can also access templates, which you can quickly edit. So you could tap on task templates, and from there you'll see all of your previous tasks. So you could access that and use it as a template. Now let's say for example we were to create a task template. You could tap on create in the top right hand corner. Then from there you could add in your title right here. Then you can scroll down and you could fill in the rest of the information. But I'm going to be showing you how to create a task overall. So we are going to tap on create task. Then let's say for example our task will be to create a YouTube video. So we'll type in create video. Let me do that real quick. Create YouTube video. After you have done that, you can select the priority, whether it is low priority, medium, or high. Then you can also type in a task description. So create a video about after you have done that, if you would like to attach files, you can also do that. Then you can choose who you would like to assign it to. So right where you see my name right there, if you would like to assign it to someone else, you can do that. I will soon be showing you how to add team members. So once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save in the bottom there. And to add team members, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, hover over my team. After you have tapped on my team, from here you could select invitations. And after selecting invitations from here, you could send out invitations by tapping on add, and you could tap on add user. After tapping on add user, from here you could input their email address and their role. Then you'll tap on send, and you can also send out bulk invitation if you want, as you can see right here. And if you'd like to just create an invite link and then send it out, you could tap on invitation link, and this is your invitation link. Then you could copy it and send it via social media. Now, if we were to access their CRM, we'll go over to the left hand menu option once more. From here, you can see that you can create opportunities by tapping on opportunities. You could tap on create first opportunity, or you could choose to import an opportunity if you already have a CRM that you were actively using. Now, if we were to go back over there, you can see activities, organizations, contacts that you can quickly add. So you can choose to either import your contacts or create new contacts. You can see right there. And you can also monitor your projects by selecting projects. We could create a new project by tapping on the plus right here. After you have tapped on the plus, from here you can see how the project layout looks. So you would put your project name, select the priority, whether it is low, medium, or high. Then you could add some details or description right there. After you have done that, you can select the customer, and you can also create a new customer by tapping on the plus where you see create. Then from here, you could create your new customer by adding in their information. After you have done that, you can choose the team member that you would like to assign it to, then tap on save. So if we were to go back, you can also monitor your finances, and you can use FlowLu to create an invoice. All you'll need to do is tap on invoices. Once you have tapped on invoices, you can tap on new invoice. After you have tapped on new invoice, from here you can choose the bank or organization, whether it is cash. Then you can also select the CRM account. After you have done that, you'll scroll down. You can select the issue date and the due date. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you could fill in your product, and you can also create a new product by tapping on create product. From here you could create your first product, then tap on save. Once you have filled in the information, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do is tap on save, and from there you can also share your invoice, so you'll be able to send the invoice to the client. You can also set up recurring invoices if you want by tapping on create recurring invoice. So from here, if you have a client, for example, that you would like to bill monthly, you will be able to do that using their recurring invoice. So you can see that there are numerous features when it comes on to FlowLu. You can also create estimates or quotation. So you can do that right there. You'll be able to monitor your finances, your income and expenses by using their money feature right here. And you'll be able to monitor your profit and loss and your transactions also. And as I said earlier, you can set up your team by selecting my team. And you can also use their agile feature. And if anything, you can also set up your knowledge base, which would basically be a quick FAQ section. So you could tap on new right there, and you can set it up real quick. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use FlowLu business management software.